Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be solve exponential equation root 7 to the power root 24 minus root x equal 49. Answer: root 7 to the power root 24 minus root x equal 49. Root 7 equal 7 to the power 1 divided by 2 into root 24 minus root x equal 49 equal 7 to the power 2. X to the power m equal x to the power n. Then m equal n. Here 7 equal 7. Then 1 divided by 2 root 24 minus root x equal to root 24 minus root x equal 4. Squaring on both sides, root 24 minus root x to the power 2 equal 4 to the power 2. 24 minus root x equal 16 minus root x equal 16 minus 24 minus root x equal minus 8. Again squaring on both sides, then minus root x to the power 2 equal minus 8 to the power 2. Then x equal 8. Thus our answer x equal 8.